What's up, South Shore? It's Marnie Migliaccio, and I'm here to introduce you to 85 Grove Street, Hanover, Massachusetts. 4 bedrooms, 2 renovated baths, renovated kitchen, hardwood floors throughout, and a brand new 4-bedroom septic system. Cute, classic, and zero drama. So tell me, how would you like to make this your new address?